In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy your domain name and hosting for free. Welcome back to Create Digitals. My name is Tim Fire, and this is another day of your website development masterclass. We've come this far, so in today's video, I will teach you how to get a domain name for free. There are two ways to get domain name. We have the paid one. You're getting a domain name, paid domain, and then a free domain. But then, before I teach you how to get your free domain, I need to teach you the disadvantages of a free domain. Number one, it does not come with an SSL certificate, which means your site will not be secure. Then you will still have access to every other thing like cPanel and the rest of them. You can build your website. Now, when is the best time to use a free domain? Use free domain when you are learning, when you are learning how to build website, because you can get free domains as many as possible, and you can use to build many websites that you're testing. But then when you're building a client based website, a professional website for a client, you need a paid domain. Another disadvantage with free domain is that it can break anytime, and customer service is not always that like you will not get good customer service because you're not paying them. So if your this thing breaks, you have to control it yourself. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything. And finally, free domain names come with other extensions. Like you can have your website .com.varsel or .ksug and the rest of them, because it's more like it's pointing back to that platform that it's not your listing. So the tool we are going to be using in today's tutorial is Infinity Free. Infinity Free is a website that allows you to get a free domain. You will not pay. You get a free domain name and you get free hosting without paying a dime. And actually, I like their website because they have a good uptime. Which means your website have more opportunities of succeeding. Have more opportunities of succeeding. Uptime is, when sometimes when you visit a website, they will say the site is not reachable or something like that. But then Infinity Free works better. Like it works good even with a free domain. So without longer description, let's go straight into creating our account. Get your free domain name. You come to your browser and you type Infinity Free. So infinityfree.com. I'm also going to drop the link to it so that it becomes very easy for you. Infinityfree.com. So this is the infinityfree.com. Make sure you type it well, or better still, use the link I will send to you. Now, this place allows you to register to get a free domain name, but then remember it comes with what extension. It gives you the chance to get a free domain name for your website. So remember, click on the hamburger icon here. Click on sign up because it's your first time using the website. Then you can sign up with Google. Once you sign up, this is how the home interface is going to look like. Then you remember, click the icon again, click on domains, and then you are going to come here and search your domain again. One more thing, once your domain is taken, it will not show again. Let's say once I pay for createdigitals.com in the other website, it will not work in this other website. No matter where somebody else goes to search for createdigitals.com, it will not show. So that's how domain name. Okay, they said no website found. They are going to click on add domain. You have to create an account hosting. Okay, yeah, this is what you're going to do. Come here, click here, go to home. This is how your interface is going to look at. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on create account. You are trying to create a hosting account. Then the first one is completely free. Can you see the free one here? $0 forever. Then you are seeing the limitations and the rest of them. Then you still have a paid option. So we are going for the free one. Click on create now for this free one, and then say confirm that you are human. So it's a little puzzle that you just click on this thing and you confirm. That is, just tick this thing now and it will verify and bring you to the dashboard. Okay, you see success. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like. Now you are going to add your domain. Any domain name you put, they will now add their own domain extension to it. They will add .ksug.free.je.site. So can you see all of these things now, depending on the one that you get? So let me come here and put create digitals. Let me enter create digital subdomain. Create. So first they will check availability. Once you have entered this, you are going to come here. Do you want .ksug, .gamer, .freepage? What do you want to use it for? These extensions will now help you understand what you are using it for here. So for here I am going to select free.nf. So you click check availability and you see that yes, it is available. If it was not available, it will not use it. They say account username. You can add your username, password, the generated password for you. You can look at it and know if you will change it or you can leave it. The email consent, if you want to give, if you want them to send you email or not, you will select here. And once username, you can generate automatically or you add it. Then you click on create account. So here now you are seeing we are setting up your hosting account. This will take a few minutes. The page will continue automatically, so just wait for them to finish setting up your free web hosting. Beautiful. Our account is ready. Our domain name and our hosting is ready. Now it's saying it will take 72 hours for this domain to be accessible everywhere. It takes some time for it to propagate. It's called propagation. So this domain name now is not going to work now. It cannot work now if I go and type it in the internet. So we are going to wait for at least 24 hours. In the next 24 hours it should be working, and we are going to check it now. So that's when I will now take you through web builder and all of that. You can see your account details here. So this is where we are going to stop for today. In our next class we'll go fully into building our website, which is where we'll now enter navigating our cPanel. So your cPanel is not showing for now. You're going to wait for our domain to propagate first. That is how to get a free domain name using Infinity Free. Remember, this is just for training. I wouldn't advise you to use this for a client because it does not have what SSL certificate. And if you use this for platforms where you are entering card details, people will easily steal your card details. So we wouldn't want that. That's why we are not going there for now. This video helped you. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you drop me a good comment. It encourages me to make more videos for you. If not, what am I gaining from this thing? So your comment is my encouragement, and someone out there who has been cheated by people or something like that, you can send this video to them. And one more thing, another benefit of free domains is that, let's say you don't want you just want to create a landing page for your advert or a landing page for anything, you can get free domain instead of going to pay for a domain. Use it for what? Landing page. Create a landing page and sell whatever you want. That is, get leads for whatever you want for a period of time and you discard it. So that's another this thing. See you in our next class.